Hello everyone, welcome back to the Azure Storage Services tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate Azure Queue Storage. Like we will see on the Azure portal how we can create our Azure Queue, and in this Azure Queue how we create the message. So for that, let's go to the Azure portal. So here you can see I am on the Azure portal and I have logged in with my account. And now currently you can see I am on my storage account. So for creating either file share or any queue, so generally what we have to do, we have to go to our storage accounts, because these are the type of the storage account. Now after coming on the storage account, if you will scroll down, so here you can see the, like in the data storage, you can see the queue. You can click the queue from here. So now if I will click on the queue, here you can see currently I am not having any the queue. So here it is saying you don't have any queue yet. So for creating it, let's click on this sign, and here we have to give our queue name, and all should be in the lowercase. So I am giving .NET Office queue. So if I will give the capital letter, so it will give the error message. So let's give it in the small letter. So now after giving the name, let's click on the OK. So once you will click, or when you will add the queue, you can see the URL, and it says like that URL type is HTTPS, and then the storage account. So this is the storage account, and this is the URL that is the fixed, and then the queue name which we have given. So this is the URL format. Now in this queue, if you want to add the message, so what you have to do, you have to click on this, and once we will click here, what we have to do for adding the message, so generally we didn't add any message, so we have to click on the add message. So here we can add the message. So this is .NET Office queue message. So anything we can give, and here it is saying the expiry, like in how many days this message will expire. And now let's click on the OK. So here you can see, like here if I will click OK, so what it will do, it will basically create the message for us, and you can see this is the ID, and this is the message text, and this is the insertion time, like the day when I created this message, and the expiration date. So now when you will click on this ID, you can see all the details like ID, message body, insertion time, expiration time, and the DQ count. So this is the message we have created. Now if you want to DQ this particular message, so or you want to clear the queue, you can either click from here or DQ a particular message. So when I will click on this DQ, it will say, are you sure you want to remove the first element in the queue? Since we are having only one, so it is asking this message. So once I will click on the yes, what will happen? This message will go away from here. So this is the way we create our queue on the Azure portal, and we create the message on the particular queue. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.